everyone, welcome to the review video of One Click blog post, and I'm Angel Benish from www.angelbenish.com. So today we're going to see what One Click blog post is all about, what are the benefits of One Click blog post, how can you make earnings in this One Click blog post. So everything we'll be having a look. And right now I'm in the members area of One Click blog post. So this is the members area of One Click blog post. So we have the home here, which is a video tutorial of how One Click blog post works. So that's about home, and we have get content here, and if you click get content, here's the page. Yeah, you get this video URL, and you just have to enter any YouTube video URL, so automatically it creates an article for you. So this is all about One Click blog post. So the main thing is you can just create any article through this. You don't have to type, you don't have to ask anyone to do it for you, or you don't people charge for this blog post, right, to create a blog post. Maybe I'll just show you an example how you can earn through this One Click blog post. Here we are inside Fiverr, and let's just type blog article. Yeah, blog article. So people charge from $5 to $50 for this articles for your blog. I'll write captivating articles for your blog, and she charges $50. And here's another person, he charges $5, video with voiceover. Yeah, people charge from $5 to $50, so you can earn up to $50 per articles. So that's awesome, right? This is really an amazing software. I mean, a software come in focus, because this is like a two-in-one, a cloud-based software, as well as you have this video training thing inside. Now moving on to the WordPress plugin. So the second part is about WordPress plugin. So you get two-part system, as I told you. One is WordPress plugin plus cloud software. So these two, it takes you from a blank page to a complete blog post or article in just 3 seconds. Yes, now that's possible. In just 3 seconds, you're going to make an article ready with this WordPress plugin as well as cloud software. So just for $27, you're going to get this WordPress plugin plus cloud software, and that's the front end price of the product. So now let's just move on to the funnel and see what the upsells are. As I told you, the front end of One Click blog post is $27, and you get access to the powerful One Click blog post software and training modules. So that's the front end. And upsell number one is Pro version upgrade, and that's $47. So Pro version upgrade with more features like adding video, thumbnail, and time code to make the content more attractive. I mean interactive. Yeah, that's upsell number one. And upsell number two is One Click headline plugin for unlimited sites, and that's $37. And upsell number three is Photo Finder plugin for unlimited sites, and that's $37 again. And upsell number four is Tag Machine 2.0 plugin for unlimited sites, and again that's $37. And upsell number five is Developers License for $47. And Developers License for $47 is a great thing. I think you're getting it for a cheap price, the developers license, and that's upsell number 5. So these are the upsells of the product, and now let's just have a look on the exclusive bonuses that I've managed to bring you. So once you purchase the product, you will get these exclusive bonuses added to the product instantly to your members area. So maybe we'll just have a walkthrough on this exclusive bonuses that I have got for you. Yeah, first you get this access to Atomic DFY. That's the first bonus you're going to get with this product, and this is an awesome hit product of this year. So this comes with the product. And number 2 is how to build a WordPress site from scratch. That will be bonus number 2. So when you create a blog post, this you really need how to build a WordPress site from scratch. So here you have the hack to do it. So that will be bonus number 2. And bonus number 3 is 3 HQ traffic sources to use with one-click blog post. So that will be bonus number 3. And bonus number 4 is ad scores, like Bing ad scores, and you will have access to that again. And bonus number 5 is like you have 3 exclusive bonuses in bonus number 5. That so first 4 bonuses are given by me to you, and this bonus number 5 is a vendor bonus which I've managed to get for you from the vendor, and that's WP Video Ace plugin, and number 2 is WP Social Traffic Reseller License, and WP Tweet Machine 2 Reseller License. So these are 3 exclusive bonuses that comes with this product. And the regular bonuses are Facebook Training Masterclass, WordPress Delayed Widgets plugin, get 4 premium wallpaper site WordPress themes, and Pinterest marketing guide, Reddit marketing guide, Instagram marketing guide, Shopify marketing guide. So that are regular bonuses. And WordPress bonuses. So WP Left Behind, that's value of $97. WP IM marketing graphics, and that's value of $97 again. And WP Sales Robot, and again that's $97. WP Checkout Maximizer, $97. WP Feedback Pro, $97. WP Review Me, $97. WP Cashew-matic, $97. WP Profit Page Creator, $97. WP Report Plugin, $97. So all these bonuses, you get it for free with a product which just comes at $27 with a front end price. You get all these bonuses added to this product, so it's an awesome package. So I would suggest you should go for this product, because the product is again a valuable product as well. You're getting so much bonuses with the product. So guys, please go for the product. It's an awesome product. You can even like Fiverr, and there are many other platforms like Fiverr where you can go and where you can just work as a blog post creator, an article writer. So this is an awesome software for all of you who are doing this, because within just 3 seconds you're just ready with the product, you're just ready with the service. Yes, that's right. So if you like the channel, please subscribe the channel so that you get the updates for the next upcoming videos. And thanks for watching again. Have a great day. Bye.